Hiccups, annoying, random, and sometimes painful. But why do they even happen? Hiccups are involuntary contractions of your diaphragm, that dome-shaped muscle that helps you breathe. They're often triggered by eating too fast, swallowing air, sudden temperature changes, or even excitement. When your diaphragm spasms, your vocal cords snap shut, making that hic sound. Some scientists think hiccups might be a leftover reflex from when we were still developing as embryos, or even from our ancient fishy ancestors. Follow for more weird facts your body's hiding from you.